guys, what is up? You're not seeing my face. That was rude. I am going to be showing you all the slimes I make, and I'm going to make a slime video. Soon, very soon. Once we get more contact solution or baking soda. Okay, so this is my butter slime. It's really nice texture. I don't know why I made it yellow. I wasn't even intending to make it yellow. But ew, what is this? Is that a chunk of clay? It is. I need to mix this better. I knew there was something wrong about this slime. Like it wasn't even mixed. Like it was barely even mixed. This paste does not want to mix. Oh. It's not even clay. It's just dried up glue. Oh. That was a fail. I think this is a really nice textured slime. I think definitely one of my favorites. I'll be right back. Yeah, but this slime is very nice slime. Definitely one of my favorites. On to the next. Now we're going to make some rearrangements. I'm going to be showing my face. Yeah, for now. But okay, next slime is this slime. I think this one. No, this one is shaving cream and model magic. This one's model magic. This one's just all clay. No, this one's shaving cream and clay. Is it? Yeah, it is. I was experimenting, and I thought it would be cool to put shaving cream and model magic. I don't really like this one as much. It rips a lot easier. But I guess you have to kind of like go slow. See. Yep, but there's something stuck in my eye. But I like the consistency, I like the feeling, but I don't like the way that it like stretches. You have to kind of like, yeah, but this is a combo basically. I'm actually going to be selling slime soon, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, because I started on scrunchies, selling scrunchies, and I kind of forgot all about that. So yeah, and I'm gonna be buying from this girl on TikTok. She makes cute little bundles of glasses and stuff. I have to order that now. Now we got this one. This one is just a sticky mess. called the mom slime because I made it for my mom, and her favorite color is blue, and it has all sorts of things in it, like glitter, diamonds. Yeah, you see it. This texture is like the best feeling, but it's a little sticky. Why are my lights? My light should be off. But yeah, I think this is like the best one that feels for me. Ah! I don't know what's wrong. Brat. I tried to make a slime bubble. You didn't see that, did you? Okay, good. And respectfully. Yeah, I still have 3 more. Aw, that was such a fail. Fujin fail. You saw that, but then it like didn't go into a bubble. Here, I'll move you guys over here so you can actually see the bubble when I make it. You're not gonna be able to see the slime over here. Nope, not on my watch. Oh yeah, just got caught on something. That was cool. Okay, coming back over here. This is a really nice crackly slime. It's really good for just like if you need to play with something, definitely. I like it. I think it's good. Okay, I'm gonna turn my camera sideways. Ah. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, I got the next one. This one has been out for a day. And it's literally perfect. I think it's because it's compact with glitter. So then, like, it's a perfect slime, basically. And this is one of my small slimes. Not as big as the other ones. Definitely not. Because it's literally in a cup that I cut. The bottom of a cup that I cut. But yeah, this one's very, very, very nice. It looks very blue on camera. It looks very blue on camera, but it's a really nice purple. It's really cute. Oh my god. Stupid camera. I really like it. Okay. This one's really nice. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very glittery. But on to the next one. This is the next one. This one is all shaving cream. I literally made this one this morning. It has glitters in it. And yeah. Really nice texture. I'd say the stretchiness is out of this world. Just kidding. Oh no. It is out of this world. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing we did last time. Very nice slime. Okay, so a fact about this slime is I wasn't thinking. I mixed clear slime and shaving cream, so obviously it's not gonna be clear, like duh. Yeah, But on to the next. Okay, so this is like my least favorite one because it's barely even stretchy. It doesn't have that great of a feeling. But it's really nice to squish. Here, let me do that right here. But yeah, I like this slime. It's nice. So, yeah, boy. But I think that's going to be it for today's video. Bye, guys.